Hi friends, today we talk about the topic of Economic Survey 2023-24 key highlights presented on 22nd July 2024. First one, India's real GDP projected to grow between 6.5 to 7% in 2024-25. Next is share of agriculture, industry and service sectors in overall gross value added at current prices in 5-year 24 were 17.7 percentage, 27.6% and 54.7 percentage respectively. Manufacturing sector grows by 9.9% in the year 2024. Construction activities also register a growth of 9.9%. Retail inflation declines to 5.4% in the year 2024 after averaging at 6.7% in the year 2023. Gross fixed capital formation from private non-financial corporations increases by 19.8% in financial year 2023, acts as an important driver of growth. With 4.1 lakh residential units sold in the top 8 cities in 2023, real estate witnesses 33% growth, highest since 2013. Fiscal deficit of union government down from 6.4% of GDP in financial year 2023 to 5.6% in financial year 2024. Capital expenditure for financial year 2024 stands at Rs 9.5 lakh crore, marking an increase of 28.2% on year-on-year basis and 2.8 times the level of financial year 2020. Female labor force participation rate grows from 23.3% in 2017-18 to 37% in 2022-23, mainly due to rising participation of rural women. 36.9 lakh crore transferred through direct benefit transfer since its inception in 2013. Foreign exchange reserves as of end of March 2024 sufficient to cover 11 months of projected imports. India's exports of services reaches a new high of $341.1 billion in financial year 2024.